For businesses aiming to cultivate stronger customer relationships and streamline their sales, marketing, and customer service efforts, customer relationship management, CRM, software has become an indispensable tool. Sage CRM stands out as a well-established player in this market, offering a comprehensive suite of features designed to empower businesses of all sizes. However, a crucial question for any potential adopter is, how much does Sage CRM actually cost? Navigating the pricing landscape of CRM software can sometimes feel like deciphering a complex puzzle. Unlike off-the-shelf consumer software, CRM costs often depend on various factors, making a one-size-fits-all answer elusive. To provide a clear understanding of the investment involved in Sage CRM, we need to delve into the different pricing models, editions, and the elements that influence the final cost. Understanding Sage CRM's pricing structure. Sage CRM primarily operates on a subscription-based pricing model. This means that instead of a one-time perpetual license purchase, businesses pay a recurring fee, typically monthly or annually, to access and use the software. This model has become increasingly common in the software industry, offering flexibility and scalability for businesses as they grow or their needs evolve. Within this subscription framework, Sage CRM offers different editions or plans, each tailored to cater to varying business requirements and feature sets. While the specific names and features of these plans might evolve over time, they generally follow a tiered structure. Entry-level/Essentials plan. This is typically the most affordable option, offering core CRM functionalities suitable for small businesses or teams with basic needs. Features often include contact management, basic sales pipeline tracking, and fundamental reporting. Professional/Standard plan. This mid-tier option expands on the features offered in the entry-level plan, often including more advanced sales and marketing tools, workflow automation, and enhanced reporting capabilities. It's generally suitable for growing businesses with more complex CRM requirements. Advanced/Enterprise plan. This is the most comprehensive and often the most expensive option, designed for larger organizations with sophisticated CRM needs. It typically includes advanced customization options, more robust automation, deeper analytics, and potentially integration with other enterprise systems. Key factors influencing Sage CRM costs. Beyond the chosen edition, several other factors play a significant role in determining the overall cost of Sage CRM. Number of users. Like most subscription-based software, Sage CRM's pricing is often calculated per user per month. Therefore, the total cost will directly scale with the number of team members who need access to the system. A small team of 5 will naturally have a lower subscription cost than a larger team of 50. Licensing type. Named versus concurrent. Sage CRM may offer different licensing types. A named user license is assigned to a specific individual, and only that person can use the software. A concurrent user license allows a certain number of users to be logged in and using the system simultaneously, but these licenses are not tied to specific individuals. Concurrent licensing can sometimes be more cost-effective for businesses where not all users need access at the same time. However, Sage has been moving towards primarily offering named user subscriptions. Contract length. While monthly subscriptions are usually available, committing to an annual subscription often comes with a discounted per-month rate. This can lead to significant cost savings over the long term. Integration requirements. Sage CRM offers integrations with various other business applications, including Sage's own accounting software and third-party tools. Depending on the complexity and number of integrations required, there might be additional costs involved, either through native integration fees or the need for third-party connectors. Implementation and training costs. Implementing a new CRM system involves more than just subscribing to the software. Businesses often incur costs related to setup, data migration from existing systems, customization to align with specific workflows, and training for their users. These costs can vary significantly depending on the complexity of the implementation and whether you utilize Sage's professional services, a certified partner, or handle it in-house. Support and maintenance. The subscription fee typically includes a base level of support and maintenance. However, for more comprehensive support packages with guaranteed response times or dedicated account management, there might be additional charges. Customization and add-ons. Sage CRM offers a degree of customization to tailor the system to specific business processes. Extensive customizations or the need for specialized add-on modules can increase the overall cost. Getting an accurate quote for Sage CRM. Given the various factors influencing the cost, the best way to determine the exact price of Sage CRM for your business is to request a personalized quote directly from Sage or an authorized Sage partner. They will take the time to understand your specific needs, including the number of users, required features, integration needs, and desired level of support, to provide an accurate and tailored pricing proposal. When requesting a quote, be prepared to provide details about the number of users who will need access, the specific features and functionalities you require, any existing software you need Sage CRM to integrate with, your preferred contract length, monthly or annual, your requirements for implementation, training, and ongoing support.